How to unblock someone on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply guide you on how you can actually unblock a particular person or profile whom you have blocked on the Snapchat app. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So the first things first, what you have to do is simply make sure to actually update the Snapchat app to the latest version. You want to make sure you are updated so that you don't face any type of bugs or errors during the unblocking process. So head over to your app store, in the search box type in Snapchat, go ahead and simply either download or update the Snapchat app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated Snapchat, I'm going to open it, and the very next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now before we actually try to unblock someone on Snapchat, if you want to learn how to block someone, you can watch our other video by tapping on the eye icon on the top right hand side to figure out how you can actually block someone on the Snapchat app. In this video, we are only about to learn how you can unblock someone. What you have to do is from the top left hand side, you can actually tap on your Bitmoji profile. In my case, I had actually added a story, so you're being able to see this. So tap on the circle icon, or usually your Bitmoji character. Once you tap on it, you're going to be taken to your profile page on the screen. What you have to do is on the top right hand side, again you'll be able to see this gear icon, which is simply the settings icon. So tap on the settings icon which you see. As soon as you tap on the settings icon, you'll be taken to the settings page where you have the option to actually customize your name, your username, your birthday, your mobile number, and many other options. In this section, what we have to do is simply look for the option called block. So scroll down to the bottom of the screen until you get to the option called block, and right here under the contact syncing option and above the saved login info, you'll be able to find an option which says blocked. What you have to do is simply tap on the option called blocked in order to see all of the list of people whom you have blocked on Snapchat. And as you can see, these are basically a few number of people whom I have actually blocked on Snapchat. And if you want to actually unblock these people, on the right hand side of the screen you will simply be able to see this X icon, or which is this cross icon. You have to tap on this cross icon and it will ask you for a confirmation. In this confirmation, you simply have to tap on the yes button, and if you want to repeat this, you can again tap on the cross icon on the right hand side, and again it is going to ask you, are you sure you want to unblock this Snapchat? You have to simply tap on yes. Now you have to keep in mind that if you've actually blocked them and unblocked them, and if they were added as your friend before, that person is actually going to be removed from your friend. So you basically have to go to the quick add or username and go ahead and send them a friend request again in order to add them as a friend. But this is how you can actually unblock someone on Snapchat. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts regarding this, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.